Are you in the market for a new car or a used car? Well, on this episode, we're gonna talk about salvage vehicles and are they worth it? Hey guys, what's going on? Ryan from Corolla Customs here, and on today's episode, we are gonna talk about my Evo. Well, my Salvage Evo. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and also hit that bell notification on top to stay up to date with all my latest videos. For those of you troopers who have been following me from the very beginning, you would know that I had a series called Is It Worth It? That series we talked about what to look for in a used car to see if it's actually worth purchasing. But for those of you who don't know and who weren't on this channel in the very beginning, I'll leave a link posted up here somewhere on the link card that you can click and it'll take you straight to that episode. So standing behind me is my beautiful Lancer Evo 10. This is the very last of its kind. We purchased this from an online auction, which is COPART, and when we found it, originally it had been hit in the front with a deployed driver's airbag. But that didn't stop me from purchasing it, and that was a project that I was willing to get myself into. I know right now some people are at home watching this and said, whoa, a deployed driver's airbag? Stay away, it's not worth it. But I'm here to tell you that it actually wasn't all that bad. The beautiful thing about salvage cars is that you can buy them for a fraction of the price. Pennies on the dollars, if you will. But here's the tricky part, where it comes in with the salvage car, but it's actually not that bad, just a little bit tricky and a little bit tedious, but I'm gonna walk you through it. So in the state of New Jersey, where I currently reside in, the salvage cars need to go through a 3-hour inspection, which it has to go through this to become roadworthy. So this is a very vigorous process in which everything that was damaged has to be replaced with OEM Mitsubishi parts, or any other salvage car that you buy has to be replaced with OEM parts. That can be either purchased from the dealer or like an equalized online seller that sells Mitsubishi parts, and you must keep every single receipt, because if you miss one, oh well, you got to come back again and redo the whole process. They're not going to pass you. So you have to keep every single receipt, and I mean every part has to be purchased from OEM, basically down to the headlights, so make sure you keep all your receipts. This Evo got a new hood, new bumper, and new airbag, as well as a new headlight. There was no structural damage. Oh, remember when I said to keep all your receipts to pass inspection? Well, miss one and you are out of luck. Come again later because you won't pass. Now, a quick pro and con list is, if this is done right, for a pro, if this is done right, it'll last you and save a lot of money, pennies on the dollar. But a con is it can be very expensive if done wrong and you don't seek professional advice. This will leave a sour taste in your mouth. Now remember this, if someone totals a car and never reports it to the insurance, but has a really skilled body guy to repair it, well, you'll believe you're purchasing a clean title car. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on salvage cars. What do you think about salvage cars? Please leave your comments in the comment section below. And if you found value of this video and you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and also hit the bell notification on top. I'm sorry for the wind. I need to get a new microphone with the wind muffler on it because you probably can't even hear me. But if you can, then it's being uploaded. So yeah, if you're new, subscribe, hit the bell notification on top. You stay up to date with all my latest videos and you'll see more cool content like this. Thank you for watching.